Selling is not only a game of need, but it is also an emotional game. Now, how do people evoke the emotions? It is through storytelling. So, today I'll be telling you about 5 types of storytelling that a salesman or an entrepreneur can use. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna and I'm back with my Unbox Entrepreneurship. Unbox Entrepreneurship is all about skill development and business creation. Skill development is the foundation of business creation. And to be a successful entrepreneur, you have to be the best salesperson. What is sales? Sales is simply a storytelling. Rather, I must say, even the advertisement to motivate people to buy certain things is storytelling. There are different stories like if you remember LIC, the advertisement, जीवन के साथ भी जीवन के बाद भी, and then they show the marriage of a daughter and a lady standing in front of the photograph that is her husband, that you have you have done the policy and taken the insurance, and that is why we could achieve everything. But the emotional connect of selling the insurance. In the same way, the other products, like having an Apple phone, the sign is an emotional ego booster for the people that yes, I am from an elite class of people who is using the Apple phone or an iPhone. That's all stories. The brand has given stories and had made a possession like that. You can also do the same thing for your business, for the products that you sell. So what is storytelling? Storytelling is an art and a science. Is an act of framing the ideas into narration to inform, illuminate, and inspire the people. It is a science of inspiring the people. And there are 5 types of storytellers that we can identify, and maybe you can relate with any one of them. You can be your own storyteller and identify the way that suits you or the situation you are in. So the first type is who ignites the inner fire in you, the person who gives you the problem and then gives you the solution. They make your heart sink, then they make your heart sing the song of success and feel the win. These are the people who ignite the fire, who know how to inspire and give the solution. The best example is Steve Jobs. Every time he presented his iPhone, he had a story, he had a solution, it with every version, and people were eager to listen to what he is saying. It is very interesting to know that I have seen that most of the people who teach communication use his speeches as examples and teach the ways. So if you want to inspire the people, ignite the inner fire, you want the heart to sink, you can be type 1 storyteller like Steve Jobs. The type 2 storytellers are the educators who educate, who give the solution that educates the people. They give the stories that have unexpected outcomes but brings the revolution in the world. The people who break and bring the change, who break the status quo and bring the change. Bill Gates is the best example, who dreamt of that time. It was really difficult that every home should have a computer, but he dreamt of it and he brought the solution. And the person who educated the whole world how to use the computer, Bill Gates. Type 3 are the people who simplify the things, who brings a solution that simplifies the life, and they tell a story in short, brief story that gives the solution. The small ways of telling the ways. One line solution, like the advertisement of insurance, जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. हमारा बजाज, the story, that Oneida advertisement, neighbors envy, the emotions that bring, but simple. The simplicity is the foundation of these type 3 people. The type 4 are the people who motivate. They are the people who bring the, who just let the people cross that threshold of moving ahead. These are the people who give meaning to the life. These are the people who just let the people break that threshold that is stopping them and achieve what they want. You can be that storyteller. The fifth type of storyteller are the people who launch the moment, who launch the hope in the people, who launch the people, who launch certain things in a way that people digest. And the best example of this is I Have a Dream speech of Martin Luther King. The way he narrated the dream he has, that motivated and make people connect to the dream and work for the dream. This is something that type 5 storytellers do. And this is how they can sell their ideas. Being an entrepreneur, you also need to sell the ideas. Narrate the idea and galvanize your audience to stay connected with your enterprise. Hope the 5 types would help you identify your type and work more. The best way is to learn more. To learn more, if you can identify your way, you can listen to the speeches that these people are giving, and maybe that would help you to move ahead. Be happy, be entrepreneurial, and live the life of abundance. If you wish to continue your journey of unboxing more entrepreneurship with us, keep liking, subscribing, and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and fellows. Thank you.